Hello everyone, our business news for the day. Global economic growth is slowing down due to rising trade barriers and policy uncertainty, with global business activity growth reaching a 6-month low in the US and slowing in the Eurozone. Commodity markets are diverging significantly, with industrial and precious metals like copper, gold, and silver surging due to the green and digital supercycle and a safe haven demand, while crude oil and many agricultural commodities face downward price pressure for oversupply. The US labor market presents a mixed picture. A delayed jobs report for November showed employers added 64,000 private payrolls, but the overall unemployment rate climbed to 4.6%, the highest since 2021. Major stock markets are showing volatility. US markets opened mixed, with the Nasdaq gaining slightly while the Dow Jones Industrial Average and S&P 500 slipped, influenced by the varied economic data and weak global trends. Russia is seeking significant damages from Belgium's Euroclear, with its central bank filing a lawsuit for $230 billion in a Moscow court. JP Morgan has achieved a historic fourth sweep in Extel's global research rankings, recognized as the top global research firm and number one in both equity and fixed income teams for 2025. Honda announced plans to make Estimo its affiliate company a consolidated subsidiary by acquiring an additional 21% of shares from Hitachi. PayPal has filed applications with the Utah Department of Financial Institutions and the Federal Deposit Insurance Corp to establish its own bank. OpenAI has hired a veteran Google executive as its new corporate development vice president. Pfizer issued a disappointing 2026 earnings forecast, causing its share to hover around the flat line in pre-market trading. In India, the rupee slipped past the 91 mark against the US dollar, a record low driven by foreign fund outflows. The government introduced a bill in Lok Sabha to permit 100% FDI in the insurance sector. In Europe, business activity growth slowed, with manufacturing declining in Germany and services stagnating in France. In the UK, the government signed a trade deal with South Korea and the unemployment rate rose to 5.1%. That's our news for the day. Thank you for tuning in. Have a great day.